My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Water. This ransomware is called like that because it encrypts the files and damages them, and it appends this Water extension to the file names. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Water ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and then very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. This Water ransomware encrypts files, and then after the files get encrypted, the ransomware would reveal a special pop-up window, which is a ransom note that indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Do not waste your money and do not pay that ransom. So this is the ransom note. Once again, do not pay this ransom. Don't waste your funds. If you pay the ransom, most likely you will waste the money. To remove the ransomware, you need to do the following. Go to the C drive, go to the Internet Explorer folder, open your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers may be damaged by the ransomware too. Go to the page combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner is a special antivirus that can help you to remove this ransomware. combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the program. It is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, so do not skip this very important step. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind. You can upgrade to Premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.